Connect was developed for the people of Carmarthenshire to have one place to go to look for help and to connect with their community. It's a community platform that is free to anyone to sign up to and search for activities happening nearby. You can find community groups near your postcode and search for things that'll suit you with a one-click Best Match button. Organisations can add their community services and members can connect with like-minded people. Members can also apply to join the Secure Time Bank, where people exchange their time and skills for credits. Time banking is a much simpler form of volunteering. It's the peer-to-peer swap of little acts of kindness. We've set up Connect Carmarthenshire to give local people the chance to make their own opportunities, to connect with other people and to make a difference to their neighbourhoods together.
Sign up to Connect Carmarthenshire and get involved. We're looking forward to connecting with you.